7-Eleven is reopening. Madeira Beach. Everything is still closed. So much devastation down here. It's hard to get things back open again. This hotel is completely closed. Ooh, that's a mess. It's a beautiful sunset, though. This is from Helene. That was September 26th. That's how bad it was. 100-year storm. Just kind of took everything out. Ooh. They just picked up the beach and brought it inland. And they're trying to get it all back. You see the big piles out here. They keep bringing it back. They're going to spread it out, rebuild the beaches, but it takes time. And in the meantime, this whole area relies on tourism. So it's just a sad, sad story. The height of where they cut it tells you where the water line was. The flooding was this high. And they can't salvage anything that was wet, like furniture or anything, because it's a combination of salt water, fresh water, and sewage. So everybody had to throw all their belongings out. Beds, dressers, couches, everything. Big sinkhole. I would think that somebody could get a great deal down here. In Madeira Beach, Clearwater Beach, anywhere actually that has been hit by the hurricane, could get a great deal because they're so desperate. And there's enough stuff open to really have a good time. It's cold now. It's not like you can get out there and go swimming. They really do need the tourists.